How to get back on Facebook Marketplace after being blocked. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone using the app, not the browser, is important for the process. Tap the menu icon in the main menu, navigate to group section and select buy and sell group you are a member of. Look for the blue review link button at the top of the group page and click on it. This often triggers a quick review from Facebook to potentially restore your marketplace access. If you don't see the review option or it does not work, go to Facebook's account quality page by typing facebook.com/account quality in your browser or app. Check if there is a marketplace restriction listed and whether you can click on an option to request review or appeal it. Submit the appeal with a clear, polite explanation why you think the block is a mistake or how you will comply going forward. After submitting, regularly check your support inbox for Facebook's response. Be patient as it can take days. Avoid creating new listings or making multiple appeals quickly, as this can reduce your chances. If you have a business account, also try contacting Facebook Business Help for additional support options. To avoid future bans, always follow Facebook Marketplace rules, no banned items, accurate descriptions, honest communication, and no suspicious behavior like using multiple accounts. Subscribe.